that drain yet. As you guys can see, we got a drain here that's plugged up. We're in a big box store. You guys know which one. This is a 3-inch drain. So we're going to be using the K50. And we're going to put on the big cutter for this size of drain. It's most likely filled up with grease. We are in the area where they prepare the rotisserie chickens. So the establishment is actually just closing right now, so no customers are in here. So let's snake it out and see what we find. Typically the issue here in these places, in these drains, it's going to be the trap that's plugged up. Now we do have 2 drains here. One is about 6 feet away, and that one is draining completely fine. I think we're just getting through the blockage now. I did have a hard time getting through it, but as you guys can see, it is dropping. You do see an object down in the drain. Not that they're ever going to do anything about it. You guys aren't going to be able to see, but we've seen in the past they'll use, actually I'll show you, give me 1 second. This is the spray nozzle that they so they'll spray that, but on occasion, like this is just a you pull that down and that pops out, right? We've seen where this actual nozzle here has got drop down drains before. I actually believe there might be one of these nozzles down the drain behind the ovens. We have a lot of issues with that there, and you can feel that there's definitely something in the drain. And now I'm looking back and forth, right? So we don't know what's gonna the editing going to be like. I might have this on the big screen, and then have this on the big screen, and then this on the big screen, and then this on the big screen, and it's just going to make more work for me, right? But hey, why not? So let's see if we pull anything out, and we'll go from there. You know what I might do? I might try to retrieve that objects that's down there. We'll see. I'm going to try with this head. It's a retrieving auger. But let's see if I actually pull anything out. So that's all hard grease, right? I just got splashed in the eye. Hopefully I don't get pink eye. I'm not sure if that only happens when you get poopy water or something like that in your eye. Hopefully my light don't fall off down the drain. Okay, I think I actually got it. Set the camera up so you guys don't think I'm lying. I don't have a clue what this is. Oh! Awesome. We were able to get it out. I'm going to let you know that performance, that deserves a subscribe and a thumbs up from everybody. But seriously, I want to thank you guys for watching. This has been Jay That Drain Guy signing out. I hope you guys liked the video. I hope you guys found it informative, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Toronto.